Hello, this is Bill from SignTracker.Pro. In this video, I will quickly go over the different tabs across the top of the app. Every time you log in, you'll be onto the Snapshot page, and this just shows you all the jobs that you are currently working on and their status. Your options are need to start, to be quoted, quote sent, design, design sent, approved, and start production. If you wanted to check another employee's or coworker's projects in the status, just click the down arrow by your name and you'll see a list of all other users, and it will show you all of their projects. The dashboard is where you create new jobs and you can add new customers, and it's also the page where if you open something from Snapshot or the schedule or invoice or in the customer history, it will open back up in the dashboard. You can make any changes you need. Just remember, anytime you start a new job in the dashboard, you have to hit new work order, and anytime you edit a job, make sure you hit save. The scheduled page is a shared calendar between all users, so any user that has a job status set to production or scheduled will appear here. If there is a start and a due date, like this project has, you'll also see it into the calendar to the right, and you can quickly edit these dates if you need to, and it automatically saves. If you wanted to open this job because there is additional details, just click open and it'll bring you back to the dashboard. The customers page is a list of all of the customers that you have done projects for. This is also a place where you can see the completed jobs. So I will use the lawn care company. I'll select that, and I can see that I've done 2 projects for them, a transit wrap and a logo design. And if I needed to look at additional details of the job, I just click open and it will open that job back in the dashboard. The account page is just information about the current user who is logged in and gives you an option to reset the password. The invoice section is a list of all the jobs that need to be invoiced. You can update the price, you can add the invoice number, and change the status. Once you invoice the job, change the status to complete, and it will be saved under the customer's history. The settings page is where you can add new employees. Only admins and manager roles can actually add new employees. So if you're anything but an admin or manager, you will not have access to this page. You can see that your options are admin, manager, designer, installer, accounts, and sales. Accounts will have access to the invoice page since they will be creating the invoices, and sales will also have access to the invoice page so they can update pricing if they need to, and everybody can open jobs into the dashboard. Feedback will open a new tab, and if you find a bug or have a recommendation or would like to see an added feature, you can just hit feedback, which everyone has access to, and you just fill out the form and submit it, and it will send me an email. I'll respond to all feedback messages I get. When you're done using your app, you just hit log out, and it brings you back to the main page where you can log back in, and that's everything.